Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, that is addition. The sign of addition is this class. Now class, these are our learning objectives. So, let's start the chapter. Look at the picture and fill in the boxes. Now class, we have to count them. So, how many tables? One table. And chairs, how many chairs? 1, 2, 3. 3 chairs. And 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now, how many glasses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And jugs? 1 and 2. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now, class, how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bananas? 4. Now, 7 plus 4, 11. Now, how many girls? 1, 2. And boys? 1, 2. Girls 2, boys 2. So, how many they all? 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand class? Now, addition and sign of addition. Addition and sign of addition is class this. Now, addition means to put things together. We use the sign this for addition. Class, addition means क्या होता है? चीजों को एक साथ रखना. Class, like I have one pen and one finger. So, both are there 2. Now, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. And here is 1, 2, 2 butterflies. Now, how many they all? अब ये दोनों एक साथ कैसे हो गए? कितने हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 butterflies. Understand? Now, 4 butterflies and 2 butterflies are together. 6 butterflies. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, we use plus instead of end. हम क्या end की जगह क्या यूज करते हैं? हम plus यूज करते हैं क्लास. So, come on exercise 3.1. Count and add. One has been done for you. Class C. How many keys? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, class, how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Put the sign of addition and equal to 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand? How many guitars? 1, 2. Put the sign 1, 2. Now is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy class. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now class, addition on the number line. Now we have to add the numbers on number lines. Now we can also use a number line for addition. We can also use a number line for adding numbers. For addition we count forward. For addition we count forward. Now class see. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now 5 plus 1, there is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 1, it is 9. Understand class? Now let us add 4 and 5 on the number line. Now we first mark 4 and then count 5 more on the number line. Then we reach at the point marked 9. Now class see. So 4 and then 9. Okay. So 4 plus 5, 9. Now class come on exercise 3.2. Use the number line for the addition. Class? Yes class. Now come on A part. 2 plus 5 class C. We first mark 2 and then count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 7. It is 7. So here will come 7. Understand? Now class B. 3 plus 4. Then firstly mark 3 and count 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and then 7. So 3 plus 4, 7. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now adding by drawing lines. By drawing lines. Now class, let us add 4 and 3. Step 1, draw 4 standing lines. हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले 4 standing lines को draw करेंगे, 1 2 3 4. Now step 2, draw 3 more standing lines. अब हमें 3 और, because here is 3, 1 2 3. Now step 3, count total number of lines. Class, there are 7 lines in all. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 and 3 together make 7. 4 plus 3 7. Now come on exercise 3.3. Add by drawing lines. One has been done for you. Add by drawing lines. One has been done for you. Now class, 1, 3 lines. 1 2 3 4. Now class, here is 1, draw 1 standing line. Now here is 5, draw 5 standing line. 1 2 3 4 5. Now count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understand? Now here is 2, draw 2 standing line. Now 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, addition with 0 and 1. Addition with 0 and 1. Adding with 0. Now class, this is a tree. This tree has 8 mangoes. This tree has 8 mangoes along, altogether there are 8 mangoes. Plus there are 8 mangoes. 8 and 0 is 8. So 8 plus 0, 8. Now this tree has no mangoes. अब इस ट्री के पास कोई भी मैंगो नहीं है क्लास. So it has 0 mangoes. Understand? Now there are no egg in the nest. There are no eggs in the nest. Class, यहाँ पर कोई भी egg नहीं है. All together there are 3 eggs. 0 and 3 is 3. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. But class, there is 3 eggs. There are 3 eggs in the nest. So all together are 3 eggs, and 0 and 3 is 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Now addition with 1. Now class, when we add 1 to the number, जब भी हम किसी नंबर पे 1 को ऐड करते हैं, we get the next number. हमें क्या होता है, नेक्स्ट नंबर मिल जाता है क्लास. 4 votes, 1 vote is equal to 5 votes. So 5 is the next number. Now 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 1 7. Now the absence of object or nothing, its count is represented by 0. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number as the answer. अब हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर क्या होता है, जो वो नंबर होता है. इट मीन्स द नंबर इटसेल्फ. कम ऑन एक्सरसाइज 3.4. एड 5 plus 0 प्लस, हम जब भी किसी डिजिट में 0 ऐड करते हैं तो वो नंबर ही हमारा आंसर होता है. इट इज 5. नाउ 6 plus 1 7. 8 plus 1 9. Rest of the parts do yourself. Order in addition. Look at the following. Now class, here is 4 cups, here is 3 cups. 4 plus 3 is 7. Or 1 2 3 3 cups, there is 1 2 3 4 4 cups. It is also 7. Class, see, you observe that we change the order. Class, हमने पहले यहाँ पर 4 थे, यहाँ पर 3 थे, फिर यहाँ पर 3 cups, then 4 cups. अब आपने देखा मैंने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, हमने यहाँ पर अपने ऑर्डर को चेंज कर दिया है. नाउ ऑर्डर ऑफ नंबर्स, बट द आंसर डजंट चेंज. बट जो हमारा आंसर है वो सेम है. क्लास, हियर इज आल्सो 7 एंड हियर इज आल्सो 7. इट इज द सेम इन द बोथ केसेस. नाउ क्लास, adding numbers vertically. Look at the sum carefully class. How can we write it vertically? Class, horizontally 2 plus 1 3. बट वर्टिकली हमने 2 को क्या रखा है ऊपर, देन 1 को रखा उसके नीचे, देन 3 को उसके भी नीचे. 2 plus 1 3. सो ये क्या है, वर्टिकली एंड प्लस. ओके, नाउ एडिशन ऑफ 3 numbers. Addition of 3 numbers. Now class, add 1 3 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Add the first 2 numbers. क्लास, पहले हम पहले 2 numbers को ऐड करेंगे. 1 plus 3 4 and then Add the third number to the sum of the first and second number. अब क्लास अब इन जो दोनों का जो सम है हम उसमें क्या कर देंगे, थर्ड नंबर को ऐड कर देंगे. 4 + 2 6. The answer is 6. नाउ क्लास वर्टिकली हम क्या करेंगे, पहले दो नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. 1 + 3 4. देन हम उसको नेक्स्ट नंबर को उनके एडिशन में ऐड कर देंगे ना. 4 + 2 6. Understand? Now class come on exercise 3.5. Write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Class, here is 2, here is 4. Here is 2, but here is not 4. Here is 2, 3, 3, 2. Here is 1, 3, 1, 3. Now here is 6, here is 6, here is 2, but here is 2. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, come on word problems. Now class example, रोहन buy 6 balls. Class रोहन ने 6 balls को buy किया, खरीदा, and his brother buys 3 balls. और उसके भाई ने 3 balls को खरीदा. How many balls do they buy in all? How many balls do they buy in all? Class उन दोनों ने कितनी balls को खरीदा? रोहन buys 6 balls. His brother buys 3 balls. Total balls 9 balls. They buy 9 balls in all. Okay, now class, come on exercise 3.6. Class, come on question number 1. A juggler has 4 monkeys and 2 bears. Monkeys 4, bears 2. How many animals does the juggler have? Does the juggler have? Class C, come on question number 1. Class, has number of monkeys. Number of monkeys is equal to 4. Number of bears is equal to 2. Now class, add them. Write 4 standing lines. Here is 2, 1, 2. Count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 animals. Total animals is 6 animals. The juggler have. Answer is 6. Okay. I hope you all have understood very well this question. Now class, question number 2. Do yourself. Now class, your chapter is completed, prepared very well, and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.